kanila yon. You can park your car there. You just have to cross the
Tama kay
street.
Henry Street yung maliit na hotel sa tapat.
Hotel.
Patawid kami ng kali.
Walang may hotel ba?
May hotel na maliit dun eh.
Vito Cruz na yun.
Parang meron doon, pero not that far.
Okay.
Doon lang
Rizal Memorial.
Sa Rizal Memorial.
bandang
yung
Rizal
sinasabi
Memorial,
mo.
sa side,
Hindi,
sa side.
the other side. Side ng Harrison.
Kaya nga dun niya, may maliit na hotel dito.
Century Park
Di ba yung
Sheraton.
hotel na sinasabi mo sa side ng Rizal Memorial?
No.
The other side.
Sa tapat nung...
Meron din ba
Pero sa
doon?
tapat din mismo ng Century.
Ituturo naman sa inyo ng mga gwardiya. Pag sabihin mo saan pwede mag-park, ituturo naman
Tsaka
kayo.
may driver naman kayo.
Okay, at saka sila Nelson and Butch can send the director.
Pwede naman.
We can check on that.
Pa-reserve muna. Pinaplano na natin kung sa magpapark. Hindi ba natin sigurado kung libre yung date
Kunin
natin.
muna namin yung
Kaya ni Nelson
details.
yun.
14.
Nelson, pag kailangan mo
So,
tulong,
so it
he
seems
just held,
it's
he just
agreeable.
held
Century
an
Park.
event there, eh.
Century ano eh?
First priority.
Century.
Century.
Government Mall, sino pa ba mga nakita ko nandun? Marami nagkaano dun eh.
Sige, doon na.
Rotarian pang Mali. Hindi pala.
May-ari Rotarian, Rotary Club of New Manila South Co.
Pero yung sa
So,
Century
June
City.
14, Century.
Century Seafood.
Century Tuna.
Tsaka induction.
New Manila South Co.
Bakit?
May-ari 3780
Actually,
New Manila South.
Yung awarding
Nakita ko yung Century,
environment.
yung bago
Project.
money, you
Every 2
remember?
years.
There's a big screen at the back. Pagka doon tayo humarap, hindi na natin kailangan ng LED May
2
LED
years ako
silang
member
malaki
ng
sa
board.
likod
Ikaw din, 2 years
I don't know if that can be used.
So, was it there?
First year,
Instead
na
of
vice
putting
chair.
the
Nandiyan si Gary.
So,
Wala ako
second
doon.
year ko chairman.
Kailangan may ocular.